going to stop at some towns in Orange County on our way back to San Diego. First stop being Newport Beach, which is a lot more, I don't know what I envisioned, picturing just like everything being on a beach and like palm trees, but we're gonna do some shopping. Barnes & Noble, I used to come here to read teen magazines. Out here looking for the teen mags. Whee! It's Squid Game. I see it. Okay, so it's Zendaya, Tom, Sean, and Olivia. They're still relevant to my life. Wow, okay. Honestly, it hasn't changed much from like 15 years ago.
Yeah, it hasn't.
Except for Olivia, she's like a newer one. We out here trying to find our horoscope. Oh, wait, I get Rudy from Outer Banks.
Who do I get? Scorpio. Who's that?
I don't know. Who is that? Anyone know? Jaden? My horoscope said you'll be single and you'll be happy about it.
Wait, you and a friend will prepare it up for a group project. Bitch, I'm out of school.
I've never been to Cheesecake Factory, and there is one here, so we're gonna go. Oh, it's so soft. I could eat this by itself. Is this like unlimited refills? Oh, it's hot. We stumbled upon some fish. The doji is entertaining. I've never seen like at that shade.
Imagine how many years they've been in here. Probably like...
I think a lot. There's so many bags.
Look at this backpack.
Ooh, I like it. Insane shoe collection.
Crops.
Super cute.
A seafoam green sweatshirt.
Yes, I like it.
Island. It's like tie-dye, long sleeve. It's really soft. Found this
Ooh, the O'Neill
wetsuit top. And these like probably retail for like
over 100. Oh, 100%. This is like a wetsuit
material.
Oh my god, I love this. Ooh, oh, it's like a golf thing. Ooh. Oh my god,
new.
I love that.
Never been written in. Then I just found these two.
Oh, I saw those sweatpants. Dude, we stopped at the same thing.
Are you done with the dressing room? Yeah.
I really like
them. I found like this color, which I really like. It was back there.
Oh, is it Target? They have a lot of new Target stuff. That's super cute.
I really liked it because I liked how it was kind of halter and I liked the button.
I'm dead. I kind of want this.
Bag with an emblem on it.
I just like the size of it. Our thrifting has been interrupted by Angela's coworker, who we're meeting for the first time, but we're gonna get like bubble tea or something, macaroons,
yeah, bubble tea,
smoothies. But that Salvation Army we were at was so good, and like everything was the color tag that was 50% off. Angela got this bin for $8. That's where we're going. There's a rose water macaroon. Oh, these are like tea flavored. Oh, the pistachio one looks really good. Could I get a Thai tea with no bubbles?
Oh, this one's mine.
Okay, cool.
I was dealing with the drama.
Yummy, yummy. Guys, this place has such good deals. These are only like $6 each. Golden Philadelphia, the Hawaiian one, salmon one, udon with tempura. Orange County had some pretty lit thrift stores. We went to a Goodwill and a Salvation Army. The Salvation Army one had better prices and deals, but we didn't get to stay for that long, so I didn't get to look at the clothes there, but I got some other stuff. So let's start with the stuff I got at Goodwill. This was Goodwill in between Huntington Beach and Newport Beach. I'm just gonna start off with my favorite item that I got because the dress section was poppin'. After the Label, which is sold at Nordstrom and perhaps some other brands, maybe Reformation. It is this really gorgeous blue floral pattern, one shouldered, so one side has like this kind of long sleeve and then the other side doesn't have a sleeve, ruches, and has this really pretty flouncy skirt. Like, this is a very trendy style. I feel like it would be sold in the stores right now. It's not outdated at all. This was $12, probably originally a lot of money. It is in perfect condition and it fits perfectly. I thought it was gonna be like too small or something. Honestly, I think this is my favorite dress that I've ever thrifted. Might be one of my favorite dresses that I own now. How perfect is this for springtime? And then this was a random find. I didn't go through all the tank tops. I just kind of like peeked at this one because I like the color. Basic workout tank. The built-in bra, classic racerback style. Don't know the brand because it was cut off, but the material is very soft and thick, and there's some subtle striping going on to it. The reason why I got this is because most of my workout tops are cropped, and I kind of wanted one that wasn't cropped because the cropped ones kind of ride up a little bit sometimes, which is annoying. This was $6.49. This Goodwill was slightly more expensive than some of the other ones I've been to, but if you got like a half price item, it was a really good deal. I got another dress that I'm very hype about. I saw the tag and I was like immediately yes. It's from Princess Polly. The style of it reminds me of these tops I have from Shein that I really enjoy. It's like a navy blue polka dot, slight bell sleeve, and like the waist is this stretchy smock material, and then it goes down and it's kind of like just a mini dress, and I like how it's long sleeve. Dig in the long sleeve dresses. And I don't think I've ever thrifted Princess Polly, and it was only $6.49. Then the reason why I got this jacket is because it was half off. Brand Limited America. Extra small, but it's very oversized. I just really like the kind of nautical Brandy Melville feel to this style. It's like navy blue with the USA. Like Brandy Melville would 100% sell this. It was originally priced at $11.49, but it was half off. I also got this pair of shoes because their shoe section looked like a freaking TJ Maxx. So it's Cole Haan, and they're just super cute slipper slides. I really like the cross style. I like the color of it. It's very comfortable, it's squishy, and it's in very good condition. I don't think it's been worn that many times, and I think this would go with a lot of outfits with some jeans and a cute top, which is like all I wear. So they had these priced at $9.99. I found this wooden chessboard. They rolled this out. I saw it come from the back storage room, and I was like, and then this guy was kind of like looking at it. He like opened it up, was looking at all the pieces, and I was just eyeing him like, don't buy it so I can get it. This thing is like 50 pounds. The bottom is like velvet. It was marked at $19.99, so only $20. And inside there's so much stuff. This is the inside. Each piece has its own little storage container, and they're like very, very well made and heavy and have the velvet bottoms to keep it in place. It also comes with this. I think it's a deck of cards, or maybe it's some game. It says Drueke. Oh, Drueke is cribbage. So I think it's just a card deck. It comes with these, so you can play checkers instead of chess. They look like this on one side and that on the other. It comes with a set of dominoes, so that's a thing. And then it also comes with this, which I honestly have no idea what this is. Does anyone know? It looks like this. It closes, holes in it. Like, what is this? Why does it shake? Oh, is this like another game? I feel like it's something to do with this. If anyone knows, please let me know. Maybe it's like the number of turns, like what turn you're on in chess. I don't know, but I enjoy it immensely. This is something I'm just gonna have with me for the rest of my life, so I thought it was a really good investment for $20. And I'm hyped because at the Salvation Army, I found some more games, and I've been trying to stock up on games so we can have game night. I had to get the classic, sorry, which I see in thrift stores all the time. This one was half off, so it was only $3. I checked and I'm pretty sure all the pieces are there. And then over Christmas in SF, I played this game with my friends called Poetry for Neanderthals, which I feel like is kind of random, and then I freaking found the game at the thrift store. Again, this was 50% off, so $3. This game, very simple but very fun. It has everything. It has the board. It looks brand new. I don't think it's really been played. It has this inflatable stick. I really do not think it has been touched much. And then actually the other day I thrifted another game. This was in San Diego. What is that noise? So the other day for $5, I thrifted this Bad Choices. I feel like it's kind of like an icebreaker slash like get to know each other game that's just good to have at the table when you have people over. You know, there's just a bunch of cards. Some of them are kind of dumb, but then some of them are cool. Like that one is inappropriate. Has your friendliness ever been misinterpreted as flirting? Do you think you're the funniest person in the room? Have you ever tried out for a reality TV show? That is a funny one. I like that one. It's funny. relevant for me and a lot of my friends. And then I randomly also got this pair of Steve Madden shoes, which I feel like I've seen everywhere. Like I've seen this a lot. It's like the black fluffy slippers. I got these because they were half off, so $5. Your girl loves a nice slipper. These could be house slippers. I could also wear them out. We love a double function. And again, not much wear at all. Wait, how could I forget? I also thrifted this. I'm literally wearing it right now. I really liked how it had like a mock neck. It says anchored. I have no idea what that means, but I really like the color. I don't know, the podcast that my friends and I have, we used to use this platform called Anchor, so it's like kind of relevant, you know? No idea what the brand is. It could have been like Shein, to be honest, based on the material. And I think this was like $5. That was all that I thrifted in Orange County. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you know, feel like it. I'm not gonna force you, but you should. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.